Withdrawing money from Postmates to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your funds are transferred smoothly. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your earnings. Step 2. Navigate to Earnings. Once in the app, locate the menu icon, usually found in the upper left corner. Tap on it, then select the Earnings option to view your total earnings and available balance. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. In the Earnings section, look for the Withdraw or Cash Out button. Tap on it to initiate the withdrawal process. You may need to confirm your identity through a verification step. Step 4. Choose Withdrawal Method. You will be prompted to select a withdrawal method. Choose Bank Transfer and ensure your bank account details are correctly entered. If you haven't linked the bank account yet, follow the prompts to add your banking information. Step 5. Confirm and complete withdrawal. Review the withdrawal amount and confirm the transaction. Once you submit, the funds will be processed and transferred to your bank account, typically within a few business days. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw your earnings from Postmates to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Postmates support for assistance.